All right, in this video, I wanted to bring you guys some top sneaker deals that I found for you guys for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. That's right. It's already that time of year again, and the deals have actually started a lot earlier this year than we've seen before. Now, some of these deals will probably be updated as we go, so I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description to Collective Kicks, and it will have like all of the updated deals as I post them. But if you don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram, feel free to follow me over there as well, because I do post a lot of the deals there first. Now, there's two major sales right now that I wanted to cover. There's a Nike sale for 25% off, and there's also an Adidas sale that actually just has some crazy deep discounts applied to some of their products. We'll start off with some of the Adidas deals first, but you do have to be logged into your Adidas account. They're free to start. Link in the description if you guys want to go over and shop all of the items. Specifically for Adidas, and then you can go ahead and create your own account for free. But log in, add the items to cart, and then you'll see the deep discount added into the cart. Also, you get free shipping when you guys do that. So the first one is the Adidas Adistar cushion. This is a mesh runner from Adidas. I actually really like this model. I have the white and red colorway, but the silver and gold colorway is actually available for 45 bucks instead of 150. So $105 off of retail for a brand new model. No discount codes or nothing. I think it's a nice looking model. I like that Adidas has a retro runner. They do have a bunch of OG like mesh runners as well that I'd love to see them on Vault, but I think that this is a nice looking one and it's pretty comfortable as well. I just did a full detailed video on those ones already, so if you want to see that, go ahead and check out my channel. Also, for 24 bucks or $32 for men, you can get the Adidas Ultra Bounce. Now, this is kind of like a takedown version of Adidas Ultra Boost mixed with a Bounce midsole, but it is only $24 for the women's. And actually, I got the pink colorway for my wife the last time it was on sale for like, I think $28, so even cheaper now. And then for the men's colors, there's a couple of them available for $32. Not too terrible, and it's actually a pretty decent, comfortable pair of sneakers for the price point specifically. All right, another one that I absolutely love, this is the Adidas Explorer Boost, and this is $48 instead of $160. Now, when these originally came out, they were $190. Since then, they knocked them down to $160 retail, but it's a really comfortable pair of Adidas Boost sneakers, probably, in my opinion, the most comfortable one that they have currently on the market. The best part about this deal specifically is you get decent colors for that $48. Usually you get the oddball colors on sale for the deep discounts. In this case, you have at least a black colorway, a gray colorway, and a white colorway with red accents for 48 bucks instead of 160. And if you guys want to buy these or any of the other items that I'm going to be talking about in this video, click the description of the video, and then I will have all of the deals listed out down there for you guys. If you guys do use my links in the video, it does support the channel directly. It also lets Adidas know that you guys rock with the channel. Greatly appreciated when you guys do that. All right, so moving on, we have the Adidas Oswego in the triple black colorway. This one's on sale for $39 instead of $130. I think that if you're like in the Oz line at all, or you just like any of the Adidas Oz type sneakers, the Oswego is like the one that started it, like more or less. It's like the classic one, and it's kind of the most recognizable one of the group. And they have a couple different colorways, but specifically this black one is one of the cheapest prices, and I think it's one of the best colorways at $39. Now, in that same vein, you do have the Azalea that is available in at least 3 different colorways for $33 instead of $120. That is a massive savings as well. This model is probably my second favorite in the Oz line that they have. The Azaleas has been out for a handful of years now, and they have 3 different colorways that I think are definitely worth a look. You kind of have that charcoal gray one, you have an olive green, and then like a navy blue colorway. The charcoal one I think is probably my favorite of the group, but 33 bucks. Free shipping, log into your account. Pretty decent deal for that, honestly. If you're looking for just an all-around everyday pair of sneakers, pretty nice on feet. Now, one I bought for my daughter that I couldn't resist, it is the Hello Kitty Adidas Superstar 360. This is a pull-up, pull-tab pair. She has a pair of Minnie Mouse ones where she can pull it out and like actually slip these on herself. They're pretty nice, but they're 20 bucks instead of $65. So fun looking colorways for those Hello Kitty fans out there, or if you have any nieces or daughters or whatever out there that are looking for a pair, they do have them in smaller and bigger kid sizes as well. Another solid deal in probably the best colorway at the lowest price, $63 instead of $140. You have the Adidas Pure Boost 23 in the exact colorway that I actually got when they first dropped. So now the price point is significantly lower at 63 bucks. Honestly, out of all the sneakers I'm going to be talking about, I feel like this one has the most bang for the buck for the price point. $63 is pretty consumable versus like an Ultra Boost that I'll get into soon. That's like $95 or $93 or something like that. $63 is definitely an easier blow. Overall, it's a very well all-around pair of sneakers. If you are a fan of like the Nike Pegasus line as an example, like the Pegasus 40s, I think that the Pure Boost 23s give those a run for their money. So throwing that out there, a decent pair, pretty comfortable on feet, and overall, not a bad buy for $63. Now, one that I bought for my son that I thought was another good one, $48 instead of $140. The Adidas Terrex Multi-Rain Ready 2.5 layer rain jacket. It's a lot of words, but it's a nice shell of a rain jacket that's lightweight, black colorway, very simple design. Very nice looking in my opinion, and I bought this in a small for my boy because he doesn't really like to wear heavy jackets or anything like that, and I figured I could throw this one in his backpack really easily since it looks very small and compact. Now, one that I did buy was actually $33 instead of $110, and that's the Adidas Terex Exterior pants. Now, this is a pair of just Terex pants that looks pretty nice, but again, now these pants are $33 again instead of $110. So I saw the value on the price point and I was like, okay, I gotta check these out. They had a handful of sizes left as of the point of me recording the video, so I definitely had to cop a pair of them. Now, in line with the Adidas Terex line that I'm a huge fan of, the Free Hiker Low Gore-Tex version, they have all the colorways available that I could see for $108 instead of $180. Now is the perfect season for these if you're looking at get Christmas trees or anything like that, or just going outdoors, walking on trails, or you want like an all-around waterproof sneaker boot. These things are pretty amazing. I've talked about the Terex Free Hikers for years now, and there's a good reason, because it's become a staple in my collection, and I really do like what they offer. I've been wanting a low-top version of these for years, and they finally delivered this year with the second version of the Terex Free Hiker, and it's one that stays in my garage because we use it so much. And they actually have the triple black colorway that I got on sale now. It previously wasn't discounted, so it's nice you can get that one as well as the black and white pair as well. Now, transitioning to the Adidas Ultra Boost Light, in my opinion, probably one of the sleeper pairs this year, but maybe it's because of the price point that people are staying away from it, or maybe leave a comment in the comment section if you guys copped a pair of them or not. But the Adidas Ultra Boost Light for $95 instead of $190. Not the cheapest price we've seen, but they do have a lot of variety of different colors in the model, and they have one of them that I specifically like in this grayish colorway that I think looks really good for $95 in a full size run as of the point of the video. A lot of times the Adidas Ultra Boost lights that go on sale are usually like the kind of oddball colors, and I think this one is probably the best colorway for the price. Now, another model that is on sale for $45 instead of $90, and that is the Adidas Adifoam Supernova. This is the all foam sneakers. These are kind of like that Yeezy foam runner sort of vibes, and I actually have a pair of these. I did a review on them. I think it's a pretty nice overall model. Now, there's only two colorways available though on this sale, unfortunately, and there's a really bright green colorway like a Celtics green, and there's also kind of like that olive green, and I think the olive green one looks probably the better of the two, but all in all, not too terrible of a price, $45. And they have a bunch of different Adilet comfort slides on sale as well. $35 is usually standard retail now for those. The comfort versions have the softer, squishier midsole. Definitely recommend those over the yoga ones. But this colorway specifically is on sale for $18, which is a pretty good price point in my opinion. They do have all sizes last time I checked on this one specifically, but there's a bunch of different ones that they have. Some select sizes and some a little bit more expensive. But the slide's definitely worth a look. Always worth a look in my opinion when Adidas has a sale, because you can usually get a pair for under $20. And these ones being $18, you get free shipping if you go ahead and log into your account. So definitely worth doing that. I did mention the Adidas Ultra Boost Light that was on sale, but they do have a ton of different Ultra Boosts for about $95 on sale as well. Like so many different colorways, and they also have a bunch of different 1.0 models, which is the original Adidas Ultra Boost as well. So just throwing that out there, there's tons of different ones to go over. My favorite ones are the Adidas Ultra Boost Light though, in that gray colorway. Now in women's sizes, they do have the Mary Mecco collaboration for the women's Ultra Boost. I actually really like this one as well. It's a great price point for like a gift as well, for $63 instead of $210. Mary Mecco is like a designer, but again, crazy, the retail is $210 on them. $63 is definitely a much better price. So next up, we'll go ahead and cover the Nike deals. And if you guys want to shop them, again, link in the description, and use code ACCESS when you're checking out to apply that extra 25% discount. It does double stack on select items, so these are some of my favorite ones that I found. The first deal that I want to talk about is the Nike Dynamo Go Fly Ease, which are on sale for $27 instead of $70. I actually bought these in two different sizes for my daughter because she has like 5 pairs of these already. They're the overall best pair of sneakers for like kids that can't tie their shoes yet. My daughter wears like a size 12 right now, so you know, she feels proud of herself when she can go ahead and slide her shoes on and get moving and stuff, and these are the perfect shoe for that. And $27 is a much better price than $70. They do have some other colorways, some a little bit more consumable colorways out there for a little bit more money, but throwing it out, this is the cheapest one that they had in the group. And again, link in the description for all of the items that I'm going to be talking about. Now, this one by far is my favorite deal from Nike because it is a brand new colorway of the Nike Air Max Plus 25-year anniversary. This is a really fire colorway. In fact, I bought this one because I was like, this is so good. Retail is $185, but they're on sale right now for $138. I don't know. I think it was an error that they actually included this in the sale. I don't really get it, but it is an amazing colorway and definitely one that I'm excited to get in hand. I'll review them as soon as I get them. But $138 as of right now instead of $185. Solid deal for a brand new colorway. Next up, you have the Nike Blazer Low 77 Jumbo Swoosh, and they are on sale for $53 versus the $100 retail. I have these. I actually really like these ones as well. It's a nice looking model, gives you a little bit of off-white vibes, and I know they've been out there for a while now, but the fact that they're sitting out there for 53 bucks is a pretty nice price point instead of having to pay 100 at retail. In small sizes only, surprisingly, you have the Air Jordan 2 Chicago colorway. This is the original colorway that retroed. I bought them at full price. Now they're $150 instead of $200. But again, they're only small prizes in men's, unfortunately. Still kind of cool though if you're small size or your kids are a small size, or your wife or whatever. 150 is definitely better than the retail at 200. I think the retail at 200 was definitely too much anyway, but that's just me. The LeBron 2 white gold colorway is on sale for $87. Retail on those, again, crazy, $210, but those now are $87, which is pretty decent as well. They do have those available in smaller sizes. I think they had my size 9.5 and down for those looking. Now another one worth a look, it retails at $120. Right now you can get them for $60, and that's a Nike Air Max Flyknit Racer multicolor. I think the multicolor is the best looking one, especially if you guys lived through that Nike Flyknit Racer like era, then these ones are the best colorway in my opinion. They also do have like a better midsole in my opinion than the Flyknit Racers from back in the day because of the air unit, and they are a little bit wider. Solid price point, 60 bucks. A pair that I got last year on sale, and I'm happy to see they're still available for you guys. Solid colorway of the Nike Vapor Max Plus in the black and total orange, and it is $101 instead of $210. This is probably the best, most comfortable pair of Vapor Max that they've had on the market in my opinion. I like this colorway better than any of the other ones I've seen though. Obviously black and orange, go Beavs, but this colorway is really dope, $101 versus that $210. I wanted to post this one because they have a bunch of different colorways for as low as $67 instead of retail $125, and that's a Nike Air Cross Trainer 3 Low. But I was like, dude, it's kind of nice. They have a couple nice colorways out here, so wanted to throw them out there. One that I think is probably just marketed wrong, but now is $70 instead of $170. You have the women's Nike Air Adjust Force 2023. I don't know why it's a women's exclusive model, to be honest. It shouldn't be, but I like the colorway and I like the look of it. $70 is great as well. And if you want to buy a pair of them, men or women, they do have both sizes listed when you go ahead and click the link. Keeping with that like 90s sort of vibe, you do have the Nike Air Penny 1 and 2 in select colorways for as low as $75. Retail was $180 for the Penny 1 and $200 for the Penny 2, which was again just a crazy price point, but it's nice to see some colorways available for those people that are looking. Another one that caught my eye is the Air Max 1 PRM in the Coral Stardust colorway, kind of a pink strawberry milk vibe. 67 bucks instead of 160. A corduroy on that looks pretty cool as well, but that is a premium Air Max 1 for a pretty decent price. You also do have the Nike Dunk High Monarch Sail colorway. That is $72 instead of $125. So again, nice to see Nike Dunks on sale again. This colorway looks kind of cool, has some different materials as well. But overall, not terrible for a nice little sale price. Also, another great deal from Nike. You have $105 instead of $140. I posted these last time they were on sale as well. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG Atmosphere Gray or the White University Red colorway of the OG Lows. These are on sale for $105 again instead of $140. So they had a lot of sizes of the white and red colorway, and then a handful of the Atmosphere Grays are still left out there. Great colorway in my mind. I have those as well. Think it looks really good on feet. Just an all-around great wearable pair. Now a couple pairs worth noting again from Nike that are available at retail. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Royal Reimagined colorway is available. I actually got those as well. Super, super nice quality in hand. But those are sitting out there for retail, full size run on Nike. I'm going to have a video on those soon, but man, crazy to see the state of sneakers where sneakers like that are just sitting in a full size run. Also, you have the women's Satin Air Jordan 1 High OGs. Those are sitting out there in good sizes also, and again, I'll link them in the description for you guys that are interested, but crazy to see them readily available, especially going into the holiday season. Definitely something to consider if you're looking for yourself or some gifts for some others. I think that's going to wrap up all of the deals for you guys in this video. And again, if you guys want to help support the channel, I'll go ahead and click any of the links in the description. Make any purchases from like Nike and Adidas, and it gives me a little bit of a kickback, and it lets them know that you guys saw the video. Also, I'll summarize all of the deals at the top at Collective Kicks for those people that just want to go directly to the website and see the latest and greatest deals that I find after this video, because I'm sure there's going to be more deals that are going to be dropping as we actually approach Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But hopefully you guys found some good deals out there. If you guys did, leave a comment in the comment section what you guys picked up, and I appreciate you all for stopping in again. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you back on the channel for some more content. All right, peace guys.